Here's a look at a recap of your markets on this Tuesday, the 8th day of July. Take a look at a few of the stick-out sales from around the auction barns today at Interstate Regional Stockyards in Cuba. They sold 91 head of 651-pound steers at $370.75. A full load of 817-pound steers, $323.10. Kingsville Livestock Auction early in the day, they had a load of 793-pound steers at $335.25. A load of 716-pound heifers at $333. Then Unionville Livestock Auction, they had 3 loads of those Rockin' R steers today, 852 to 857 pounds. They sold from $319.75 to $320.20. Box beef cutout values, choice closed up $2.06 at $393.04. Select up 93 cents at $378.46. Those values based on 99 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. The choice select spread at $14.58. Negotiated feedlot trade so far for the week, about 1,000 heads scattered around. Kansas reported just over 500 head of heifers, 65 to 80% choice at $225. Iowa reported 33 head of steers at $235. Really not enough sales so far this week to establish the market yet. Taking a look at the closing futures markets on the Mercantile Exchange, the livestock contracts on the cattle side all sharply higher again today. August live cattle up 407 at 219.97. October at 216.82 up 387. December at 216.62 up 320. August feeder cattle up $5.40 at 319.12. September up $5.65 at 319.17. October 317.25 up 5.90. Lean hogs, July was up 2 cents at 106.97. August down 32 at 106.77. October up a dime, 92.97. Turning our attention to the grain markets at the elevators around the state on Tuesday, soybeans were 3 to 8 lower, wheat 1 to 2 lower, and corn down 6. Corn bids at the elevators in St. Louis, 438 to 440, Kansas City at 418. Soybean bids in St. Louis, 1050 to 1053. Kansas City, 1022 to 1042. Wheat bids in St. Louis, 519 to 530. Kansas City at 547. On the Board of Trade, July corn was down 7, closing the day at 411 even. September down 5.5 at 398. December at 414.25, down 6.5. Soybeans, the July contract closed at 1024.25, down 7.5. August at 1021.25, down 10.25. September down a nickel at 1008.5, and November new crop beans down 3.25, 1017.5. Wheat contracts, July up 3.25 at 543. September was down 0.75 cents, 547.75. December down 1.75 at 568.5. Soybean meal for July, $267.20 a ton. That's down $1.30. Soybean oil for July, $54.11 a hundredweight, up 4 cents. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a recap of your markets for Tuesday. This is Tony Hancock.